Based on that,
Prairie.
just advertising the city.
Okay, well.
I'm telling people about Grande Prairie. So
You can find real good people here. Like you really can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
We have found really good people here. So,
And one
you know.
thing people don't talk about is we always say, "Oh, it's so cold." It only is cold for a few days, okay?
No,
we get
it's
these
cold.
Don't ask
No,
Tasha.
don't do that. No, no, no.
no, I must disagree.
Sunny
No,
winter
no,
days.
no.
Absolutely.
Guys,
You
it's
get-
+7 out there
Yeah.
today. In
Yeah.
the middle of the end of January. So, yeah.
the beautiful
It's still
sunny
cold.
winter days, okay? It's
Guys, you
good
cannot
for
see
your
my
skin.
face, guys.
It is still cold.
It's all perspective, I believe.
and in the summer, the long summer
Yeah.
days.
It's
Yes.
beautiful in the
Yeah,
summer.
it's great.
So let's address this cold situation. First and foremost, guys, she is right. It's not generally cold 365 days a year.